everybody calls it. Cute face of the robot. So, start. This is our partners and sponsors, small and big, professional and unprofessional teams helping us to build something and to draw something, to design something, and to generate some PR also. For the past 9 months. The main shift was about the ROVA, and actually the ROVA technology is the only big piece of technology where I'm concerned about. We are doing a walking robot, I'll show you instead of the wheeled robot, and that's because we have a very low mass. We have 4 to 5 kilogram mass, and we chose the walking, strolling robot as the best concept to overcome all the landscape difficulties on the moon. We're doing something called Phase 2 project or Phase B project with this robot design, and this is, well, this is a huge paper, and usually with 3D graphics also, with all the graphics. And this thing is now being reviewed by the Russian Science Academy and by the industry. And we propose this robot to those entities through their missions.
Your mic is off now.
Really? You hear me? It's bad. Battery is low.
Okay.
So,
yes.
let me
Project. I will give you the other microphone, which is also
Okay.
probably low.
So the scientific part of the mission was studied because actually this robot is a scientific instrument, scientific tool, which is designed for mainly for water studies, actually, for soil studies. We've got 2 new partners which are really valuable partners. This one, KB1901, is our construction partner. They are doing carbon things, and Selenokhod design is graphic designs and industrial design, and all these cute faces are drawn by them. So we built up, I think, a powerful team of 25 members, and most of them are engineers, most of them are industry engineers, and actually we are also part-time scientists and part-time engineers, because all of them are working part-time, and they work just for free because they are allowed to do much more here than somewhere where they work. Again, about our tech, this is, you see, one of the working concepts, and we're working focused on the rover design, because we're taking the lander from Lavachkin, the state-owned, state-controlled manufacturer of this hardware in Russia. So, and this is what we're doing now, some pictures. Yeah, some pictures, even with the dimensions. Centimeters, yes, it's decimal, of course, yeah. So it's really small, it's like a box, shoe box, so it's 4 to 5 kilograms, and still it's mighty enough to survive there. I got thermal analysis and structural analysis. This is structural. So this is another concept, as you see. So several concepts under design. This is how it looks how he gets the soil for analysis. Well, this is a slide. We are going to join a big project in Russia, which is government-backed. It's a huge business park innovation accelerator, call it, just outside Moscow. So we're going to get some backing, at least backing from some powerful sources of finance. Maybe again, a cute thing. So, and what I wanted to say is, actually, I think that we are already successful in this competition because actually we've managed to build one of the most prominent Russian new space projects, new space companies, and that's really, that was hard of course, but really this is what we're proud of. So, and I'll show you some simulation. Styling, walking funny. This is a moment of recharging. Okay, thank you. Questions?
So you gotta yell.
He's got loud voice.
Okay. How long it can go without recharge?
I think it's minimal 500 meters, and I think after that we will be recharging it. Anyway, I'm not the engineer, so don't be that cruel to me.
Okay, without being cruel, who crafted the robot design? Designers or engineers?
People
You see,
adorable things.
again, we have several designs. One of the designs is created solely by this design group, and they're not designers, they're not artists, they are industrial designers, one of the best in Russia, and they're really talented people. They do things better than engineers do, actually, because they understand the shape of things, you see, and they know what will work and won't work, because they're doing cell phones and cars and medical equipment also.
Yeah, but I think the shape of the lunar surface could be the problem.
No, I don't think that. This is not a problem for this kind of vehicle.
Questions?
Talking about Theremin software for the thermal analysis, we've only been able to find like Russian documentation online. You guys have a translation of that?
Translation of what? Of
Theremin thermal analysis
Software.
software.
So
yeah.
we,
It's open source, correct?
yeah, Thorium. It's open source and it's developed by one of our team members, actually. So it was what I want to say about it. Translating it was not our plan, but if you want to use it or if you want to buy it, it's his business actually, and this software was developed for large telescopes, large space telescopes. We can just get in contact with him, so it's not translated, of course. I don't even think it has much of documentation because it was just his student project, actually.
The page that I found was about 15 pages with documentation.
Well, maybe some of it is available. Okay. That's it.
Thank you. How about Barcelona Monkey?